Today's story is Mom's Box. In the story, Mom's Box, you will see CVC words. Remember, CVC words are words with 3 letters. The C stands for a consonant, the V stands for a vowel, and the C stands for another consonant. CVC words use the short vowel sounds shown below. A, apple. E, egg. Say it with me. I, iguana. O, octopus. And U, umbrella. Use those sounds with your CVC words today. CVC words also might have a B or D. Remember to use your strategies when you see a B or a D in the story and in the words we're practicing next. Let's practice some CVC words you'll see in our story today. As you look at these, remember you're going to sound out the CVC words. Let's say the sounds of this word together. Ready? Say it with me. G, got. Good job saying the sounds and the word with me. Let's keep going. Say the sounds out loud and the word out loud as well. Next one. Ox, box. Pot, top. Hot. Had. Mop. Not. Big. Mom. Here's one with a star. It's special because it's the word mom with an S at the end. We say moms for that word. What do you notice is in the middle of all of these words? Is it a consonant or a vowel? That's right, it's our vowel, and it makes the short vowel sound. Now we're going to do a segmenting practice. I'm going to say one of these words, and you're going to say the 3 sounds you hear in the word. Mop. The 3 sounds in mop are p. Let's do one more. Box. Say the sounds you hear in box. The sounds are b, x. Well done. Now we're going to practice some more CVC words. We're going to go quickly with these as we're working on our fluency, which means reading at a good speed and correctly. Ready? Say the sounds. Nut. G, ass, gas. Rig, rig. Pet. Sun. Did you say the sounds and blend the words together with me? Awesome. Let's keep going. Ready? Say the sounds. Tin. Sub. Log. Rip. Pop. Great job. Now we're going to do the last row. Ready? Say them out loud. Men. Wag. Bud. Cab. Ban. Awesome work. You just did some great work with CVC words. Now we're going to switch and work on sight words. Sight words are words that we need to know right away when we see them, and some of them have little hearts under them, and remember those are the parts we have to memorize by heart because they don't make the sound that we usually expect the letter to make. So our first example has some hearts, and it's the word what. The WH says w, but the A says I have to remember that by heart. It's not the sound A usually makes. This is the word what. Say the word now. Great job. This is the word the. The has hearts underneath it because the letters do not make their usual sound. This is the word the. Repeat the word after me. The. Great job. This is the word and. We can sound it out. And. That's why there's no hearts there. This is the word there. It starts the same as the word the, but the ERE says air. There. Say the word there. There. This is the word for. If I cover up the F, I say the word or. We have to memorize that by heart. This is the word for. This is the word off. What do you notice at the end? That's right, there's a heart because there's two F's in the word off. This is the word is. I hear a Z at the end, but what letter makes the Z sound? That's right, the S makes the Z sound in the word is. Sometimes when S is at the end of the word, it says Z. This word we can sound out. In. This is the sight word in. All right, it looks like we are ready to play our game. We are going to play Beat the Teacher. Get your sight word list out and get your highlighter, crayon, marker, whatever you have, pencil, ready so that you can highlight the words you say correctly. I'm going to point to a word, you'll say the word, and you'll try to say it before me. You'll try to beat the teacher. If you beat me and say the word correctly before me, you get to highlight. Please wait until you've heard me say the word before you highlight. You need to check and make sure you said the word correctly, the same word that I said. So here we go. I'll point, you'll say the word. Ready? Say the word. This is the word what. Highlight the word what. If you said it correctly, just do one straight line across, nice and quickly. Say the next word. This is the word the. Highlight if you said correctly. Say the next word. And. Say the next word. There. Say the next word. For. Say the next word. Off. Say the next word. Is. And say the last word. In. Go ahead and check and see how many words did you highlight. Count them up and write your score on the bottom. All right, we're going to move to the second column, and we're going to see if you can get more sight words correctly and beat the teacher in this second column than you did in the first one. Ready? Get your highlighter ready. Say the word. What? Say the next word. The. Say the word. And. Say the word. There. Say the word. For. Say the word. Off. Say the word. Is. Say the word. In. Count up how many words you said correctly and highlight it and write the score here. Is your score improving each time? That's our goal. All right, last time, see if you can get more correct this time than you did the times before. Ready? Say the word. What? Say the word. The. Say the word. And. Say the word. There. Say the word. For. Say the word. Off. Say the word. Is. And say the last word. In. How did you do this last time? Count up your score and put the total right here. After you've done that, cap your highlighter or your marker, whatever you're using to write, and put it away. Now we're going to play detective with our sight words and our book. So we have our sight words, we have our book, and as I read, you're going to look and see if you can find the sight words in the text. All right, so our story is called Mom's Box. Look for sight words on this page as I read. Mom got a box. What is in the box? There are 4 sight words on this page. Which 4 sight words did you see? Say them out loud now. Did you see what, is, in, and the? Great work. The next page has 4 sight words on it as well. Look for them as I read. The box had a top. Is a mop in the box? Say the 4 sight words that you found. Did you say the, is, in, and the? Keep up the great work. 6 sight words on this page. Get ready. Here we go. Mom got the top off the box. A mop is not in the box. Wow, did you find all 6 sight words? Say what you found now. Did you say the, off, the, is, in, and the? Lots of sight words to find there. 4 sight words on this page. There is a pot in the box. Mom got a big pot. Say the 4 sight words you see. Did you say there, is, in, and the? Keep up the good work. Here's our next page. 6 sight words on this page as well. There is a top in the box. Mom got a top for the pot. Say the 6 sight words you found. Did you say there, is, in, the, for, and the? Nice work. Here's our last page. 3 sight words on this page. Mom got a pot and a top. The pot is hot. Say the 3 sight words you see. Did you say and, the, and is? Awesome work being a detective with me and finding sight words. Now we're going to read the story together. Get ready and say the words right when I say them. Follow along and say the words out loud. Ready? Here we go. Mom's box. Great reading. Keep going. Mom got a box. What is in the box? Keep reading out loud with me as we go. The box had a top. Is a mop in the box? Mom got the top off the box. A mop is not in the box. Great reading. Keep it up. Say the words with me. There is a pot in the box. Mom got a big pot. There is a top in the box. Mom got a top for the pot. All right, last page. Keep reading with me. Mom got a pot and a top. The pot is hot. Great reading. Nice job working on Mom's box. In the next video, you'll work on the story some more and do some writing. Keep up the great work, friends.